let's get right to it and see what's in the box. Boom. See the box? And you know it's Adidas. Now, these are the Adidas or Adidas that have literally helped keep Adidas on top for the last couple of years. So let's talk about the shoe. The Inikis, or for people that wasn't hip, the I-5923. So yes, people, it's all about the Boost technology. That's what it's about. Now, what you're looking at is one of the reasons Adidas have been able to outsell Jordan brand and Nike a couple of those previous years ago because of the Boost. Now, shout out to Farmer Simpson because he influenced me to recop a pair of these, because after 10 years, people, the Boost technology has just got great. Ever since they thought of that concept, it's just got better and better. Now, this design in particular, the Adidas I-5923 are made for runners. You have leather mixed with that Boost technology. They have various different colors of these. Now, you could use these to run in, work out in, play basketball. Sky's the limit. But hands down, the reason for this video is to show everybody that Boost, the Adidas Boost, is still the most comfortable shoe that's on the market. Yeah. And one of the key features in getting the Adidas Boost is that you could puncture this. Hit it on the side of a corner, stick it with a needle, and it won't do too much damage to it. You can't do that to the Nike Air, of course. You pop it. But this is built to last a long, long time. Very long time. So, this brand right here, the I-5923, if you're new to getting Boost technology, you didn't try the Ultra, anything, go out and copy a pair of these. You probably can find them online, ranging anywhere from $100 on down, because they've been out for a little bit. But yeah, Adidas is coming out with just killer stuff. This is the black and white pair. They got all kind of colors, but yeah. You guys know what's coming next. It'll be the on feet, but yeah, check out these joints though. There's the original Adidas logo. Inside of the Adidas logo. On the bottom you have like a black gum traction. These are runners, Adidas logo. Adidas logo on the back. And you have suede mixed with leather in the upper. The lacing system is pretty much traditional, as well as the 3 stripes. But yeah, these shoes are definitely a 4 out of 5, and they're just super comfortable. But you have to see them on feet. So like this video, leave your comments, share this in the next social meeting that you have together. You know, if it's Facebook, Twitter, like, share this video and let them see that the Boost is the most comfortable shoe on the market. Subscribe.